Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from Wizz app. So basically, this is a Wizz app, and somehow I got banned from this mobile application, maybe due to violating some policy. And if you have violated any policy of the Wizz app, there is no way you will get unbanned from the Wizz app. Okay, so maybe this could be some for other reason, unnecessary ban. So basically, this happened because you are using from somewhere, so you have to just download from the Play Store, that is called VPN. So you can use any kind of a VPN. So basically I'm using a VPN here, that is a quick VPN. This is a free, and after that just I will turn on. Okay, so after the when you will turn on the VPN, you can just go to the Wizz app and you have to uninstall the app and you have to reinstall it once again. And when you will go into the app, you will get three options where you have to log in. You have to make a one more account, and in this way you will get unbanned from the Wizz app. Okay, so you basically have to use a VPN and you have to make a new account, and after that you can continue using the Wizz app. So I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, then do follow our page. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.